Hey guys, it's me Ridhima on my channel Ridhima's Creative Universe. Today I'm going to be making golden or copper metallic slime. Today I love slime. Yeah, so let's just get right into the video. The ingredients you'll be needing for your slime is PVA glue, and I'll only work with PVA glue and not wood glue, PVA glue. Okay? And you'll need any kind of paint or food coloring. This is golden metallic paint today. And you can use paint or food coloring. I think they both work the same thing. And you'll need your activator, which is, mine is borax. You just need 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of borax powder to make your solution. I'm just putting in a soap bottle so that I can squirt it. You could also use detergents and stuff like washing liquids and stuff. You could use contact lens solution and baking soda to make it, or bicarbonate of soda. And the thing, your activator needs to have boric acid or sodium borate. So let's just start making our slime. So first we'll just open our glue, add some glue, and I'm not going to make it. Okay, that's enough. And you can also make fluffy slime by adding shaving cream. I'm not going to add some. Okay. Oh wow, guys, look, it's so nice. You can't even see how pretty it is on camera. It's so metallic and shiny, like a real gold. It's not really gold, it's like copper, but still, it's so nice. It's really nice and pretty. I think I'm gonna add more. Okay, guys, I just got it to the perfect gold color. Added lots of paint, but still super nice. Don't know if consistent you are with coloring your stuff. So we're just gonna add it. And you want to slowly add the activator, because you don't want to add too much borax or your activator, because then it'll turn all rubbery and you don't want rubbery slime and it'll stretch you. One time I accidentally I added way too much borax and it was so rubber. It was you can't stretch it at all. And yeah, so you just slowly want to keep an eye on your slime, so you don't want to add more. As you can see, so it's turning slimy. It's slimy, kind of. You just want to keep adding your borax little by little. Turning slimy. So as you can see, it's working. Not all detergents work for your slime if you're using detergent. For example, Alamat detergent works. Also, you could use Airwick, which is a spray. It makes your house smell nice. That could also work too, if you just spray it with baking soda. And you could also use laundry starch or liquid borax. That's already ready-made. You can see it's so slimy. It's coming together. As any other. You can also make a glossy slime if you add baby oil in it. It makes it really clicky, and it makes it all it makes it sound when you poke it and stuff. And when it starts sticking off the bowl, that means that it's time for you to take it out. When it starts sticking off your bowl, you can see it's almost time for you to start pouring before you take it out, in case your hands go messy. And you don't want that, do you? You want sticky wicky hands. Ooh, this is slime. You can't change a few times. Oh, I can add a bit more. And you don't want to add too much borax, it'll turn really rubbery like my blue one turned. Yep, it's sticking off. Pick it up and knead it. You can see it's really lumpy. It has these little spots in it, but it's really sticky right now. And by the way, I live in Scotland. Maybe I could have a meet and greet or something. Ooh, it's so nice. And I have a fact for you guys. If you like, one time I made loads of fluffy slimes, and normal slime is a bit more fluffy than fluffy slime, which is kind of weird. A fluffy slime, like if you had shaving cream, make it more light and like fluffy, but it's kind of more like fluffy somehow. It's weird adding more borax. So guys, I finished making the slime and it's not sticky anymore. And it's like really nice gold and metallic. You can't really see the metallicness on the camera because I think it has like this thing where it doesn't show the real color of it. But whatever, it's really pretty. And show you a close up of my slime. I'm like poking and me playing with it and stuff like that. So guys, I finished making my slime and I showed you a close up of it. And on the camera, it's showing like this peachy color. It's super nice and like actual when you look at it. And it's really, really stretchy. And so I'll show you guys a big swirl. I'm not that good at swirls, but show you the best I could do. This is a really small batch of slime, so I hope the swirl works. Okay, it's ready. I'm really not good at making swirls. But this is like a really nice and playful slime, and watch this. I'm gonna try and make a bubble. I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, I think I made something. I think I made a tiny bubble, or a big flat bubble. Beautiful, beautiful metallic slime. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'm gonna wrap up right here. And I hope you guys enjoyed making slime with me and watching me making slime. And I had super fun making slime. I love to play with slime. Enjoyed this video today because I enjoyed making the slime and it was super much fun. And so thanks for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also check out my other channel, Ridhima's Vlog Life, and there I do some vlogs of like, not daily vlogs, but some vlogs, like occasional days. And yeah, be sure to subscribe to both channels and give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Comment down below what kind of slime is your favorite. Mine is fluffy slime, even though today it wasn't fluffy slime. Yeah, so I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.